Yeah, hi Steve, it's Mark at FMAV. Okay, your Beosound 1. Um, Basically, yeah, it's obviously the laser's the issue as per usual. So basically, what I've done is I've taken it apart, stripped it down, given it a clean for you. In all honesty, it was pretty clean anyway. So I left the grease on there. I just made sure there weren't any bits in there and cleaned the micro switch. Just checked over the board visually, and changed the laser for you. So I'll power it up. I don't know how good you're going to be, whether you're going to be able to hear this CD, because I'm using on headphones at the moment. It's pretty bad quality sound. I'll turn it up. Hopefully you can hear that. So yeah, basically that's all done for you. As soon as I get payment, that'll be in the post. Well, I'll be honest with you, Steve. I'll post this Friday because I've got a lot of work on tomorrow and I need to get some stuff out of the office tomorrow. Well, that'll also go Friday. But yeah, I just need some projects I need to finish, so this will go Friday for you. So you'll actually see this on a Saturday delivery. So hopefully you'll get that Saturday and you can have that fitted back in. So yeah, you've got a 6-month warranty on the parts only. Anything else, obviously we've not replaced anything else, so we can't warranty on that. But in all honesty, you should get another 5 to 10 to 12 years out of this with a new laser inside it. So I've got people that I've worked for 13 years and they've still got the same laser in them. So yeah, shouldn't have any issues with that. But if you do, it's there. We'll repair free of charge. If it's in that 6 months, no problems. So yeah, I appreciate your business, Steve, and thank you ever so much. And hopefully you're happy with our work. And we'll, just let me know when you get it and you're happy. I appreciate that. Thank you very much. Just you sit there. So that's your part there. Cheers, Steve.